Welcome back to the channel. Quick 2-minute tech video today. I've been asked multiple times by people, how do I get my in-helmet audio when I'm doing my moto vlogging so clear and so good? How do I do it? Where do I put the microphone? Where do I plug it into, etc. And so I just want to give you a quick 2 minutes on how I do that. It's pretty simple. First things first, buy a decent lav mic. I have tried all of them. Purple Pandas, you name them. This is the Rode one. It's a Rode lavalier mic. It gives by far the best quality that I've found. They're not that expensive, they're not cheap, they're not that expensive, so you want a lav mic. You also want a TTRS to TRS connection, because that won't go into a 3.5mm jack, that'll go into an iPhone basically. So you need one of them. Okay, once you've got your microphone, you need to plug it into something. I have two things that I do. There's two options depending on what sort of video I'm making. If I'm just making a video where I'm just going to put the camera on, talking to the GoPro and ride around for a bit and tell you guys something, I don't need the audio or the exhaust or anything like that to be particularly spectacular, then I use a Hero 8 with a media mod. The reason I use the media mod is there's a 3.5mm jack, so I plug that in there and then I have my lav mic straight into the GoPro, and it's dead simple. This though won't give you amazing external audio sound. So if I'm doing a track day, for example, I use this. This is a H4n Pro. I've done a video about this before, but I just want to quickly show you how I plug all this in. This is a twin channel, or 4-channel actually, so I have stereo going in here, through here, and then actually no, this is single channel, excuse me, this is a single channel audio that goes in here, and then it also at the same time collects stereo exhaust from these microphones here, and all you have to do is export this and create this audio, the microphone audio, into stereo. So to do that, and the reason that I do this for track days is because I need wireless. I can't have cables flying around everywhere while I'm on track, so I use a Rode Wireless Go, one connected to here. This is the external one. For example, I'm going to go motocrossing, I'll stick this in the backpack, like that. Put it in here with the dead cat on, keeps the wind noise, and then I'm just actually doing this for my motocross helmet now. This is the microphone adapter, so that is a command strip, one of these that you hang pictures on the wall with. I put half of it in here like that, the other half on here, and then I have the microphone stuffed into my helmet, and then I just put that on there, plug the microphone in here, and then what I do with the actual microphone itself, I'll show you what I do with the microphone itself. I take the cheek pad out and I just make sure that that's the back of the cheek pad. It's the same on the road bike helmet, same thing here, and I stuff the cables up inside here and have the microphone just there where my cheek is. But this is the back of the cheek pad. I put this on here, and what I'll do is I'll wrap this around it like this, a little bit loose, because what then needs to happen is you plug this in, put that on there, and if you can see inside here now, here's the microphone, here's the Rode Wireless Go. So you want to put that bit where the microphone goes into the bottom, stick that on there, and then if you've left this loose a little bit here, just plug that in there, and then just hide this bit back inside the cheek there. So if you've done it right, this is what it should look like. You've got your Rode Wireless Go here, microphone here. Again, this is optional. If you've got a media mod, you can take that out, unclip that, and clip that straight into your GoPro here. And then you've got your cheek pad here. I wrap this around, you use your own way. On road bike helmets, because there's a little hole here, it's easy to just wrap it around. But like I said before, on road bike helmets, you can just stuff it up into the lining and it keeps it out of the way nicely. So yeah, that's what it should look like. With this plugged in here. Same principle on the road bike helmet. There's a little bit more room on a motocross helmet like this to put this in. What you'll find is on a road bike, you'll need to take this out, put your helmet on, then put this in and plug it on. It's a bit more fiddly. It's easy on a motocross helmet, but there's not much room around the chin area. I found on a road bike helmet, the only place it can really go is here into the side, and it just sort of rubs a little bit on your cheek, but it's not too much. Motocross helmet, you've got loads of room. So yeah, so it's either, and then you can either pull this out and plug it in behind your GoPro here. I'll have a GoPro on here, it might be on the chin, depends where I have it. If I've got this little bit of extra wire here, I can either plug that in, and then I've got GoPro here. I've got GoPro direct to 3.5mm jack via the media mod. Caveat on this, these are not great when there's any moisture around. They're not waterproof because you have to take off the battery. The way that they connect, you take off the battery clip here, which is a waterproof seal, and you plug it straight in like that. That's not waterproof. So if you're going anywhere that's not waterproof, thus why I'm taking this motocrossing, because I've just found out after my last motocrossing trip that the file corrupted because I got moisture in it. So now I'm going to put this inside a waterproof backpack, dead cat on top. That takes out wind noise. That'll go in here. It'll record my wireless mic on here, and it'll record the exhaust noise from the bike, which is an added bonus. So yeah, so that's kind of how I do audio. Most important thing, in my opinion, get a Rode lavalier mic. Way better quality than some of the other ones that I've tried. They're trash and crackly. Yeah, so that's a quick video. Hope you enjoyed it. Something a bit different, but people keep asking me, so I'll help you out, and that's how I do it. Thanks very much for watching. I hope you all have a good day, and I'll see you on the next one.